Well, these are Ireland's puppies. They are 5 weeks old. They were 5 weeks old on Monday, and this is Wednesday. And they are just ready to come out and meet the world. Yeah, aren't you? Let's see what happens when I open this. What's gonna happen, huh? We've got our little tricolor girl right here, which is Mabry. And then the rest, I don't know. I'll just have to like pick them up and look at them. Yeah. Hey, hey, hey. What, babies? What? What? Okay. This is the little girl with the champagne. Yep, champagne around her eyes. This is Megan. Little Megan. And then Mika. Yeah, Mika right here. And then the biggest boy is Murphy. I think that's this one right here, Murphy. Well, I threw in some toys because I had to pause a minute and answer a phone call. So I threw in some toys, and that seemed to kind of interest them. So they've been playing with these toys for a little while now. And back there, shake, shake, shake. I do believe that is Mika back there, shake, shake, shaking. And then, of course, Mabry's easy to spot because she's tricolor. Yes. And then this one right here is Megan with the champagne around her eyes. That's pretty easy to spot, too, because she's got the color around both eyes. And then Moby on the right and Murphy on the left. And I think Murphy's just got maybe just a little bit longer nose. That's kind of how I see it. Hello, Moby. Are you trying to come out, huh? Are you trying to come out, big boy? Huh? Do you want to come out? What do you think? Huh? What do you think? Is there a whole big world out here for you? Yeah. I'll open up a play yard for him here in a few days, probably. Usually once they're 6 weeks old, I can pretty much count on them to go back into their kennel and use their grass pad to go potty, and that gives them a little more playroom. We're a bit crowded right now because there's 7 litters, and I haven't had 7 litters at one time in like 6 years. It's usually 3, maybe 4, every once in a while 5 litters, but 7, that takes up a lot of space in here. So, but we make it work. We've luckily got a nice big room for this, so. What? What? What, Mika? What are you saying to that thing, huh? What are you saying to that thing? Hmm? Oh, what? What, Mika? What are you talking about, huh? What are you talking about? You just want to come out of there, don't you? Huh? What? You want to come out? Hmm? Huh, Moby? You want to come out? Yeah? Yeah? Oh my goodness, this phone. Yes, what? What? What'd you say? Good girl, Mabry. Good girl. She went back there and used the potty park to go pee. It's a good girl. What are you just standing there staring at me for, Megan? Huh? What are you doing? Just staring at us. Huh? What do you think? I have to be careful because I'm not supposed to stretch or bend or anything after this surgery I just had. You know how hard it is not to bend and twist and stretch? It's crazy. They probably just should have knocked me out for 6 weeks. I don't know how I'm going to do it. Yeah, I got all these pretty babies to play with. Yes. Yes, what am I going to do with all these pretty babies to play with and don't want me to bend down? Yes. I just sit on the floor, huh? I just sit on the floor. Yeah, that doesn't feel so good. Hi, Mika. Hi, Moki. Hi, Murphy. Hello, Megan. Hello, Mabry. Sweet babies. Oh, such good babies. They have good appetites, too. Mike says, oh, they like to eat. So we like that. Hi, Mika. She's got personality today. Yeah, she's got lots of personality today. These are pretty puppies. Got beautiful pigment. This was a good breeding, yes. I've not had a chance to breed Kojo with Ireland before, but I'm surprised I got as much white as I did because here he is a black and white, but I guess I got more color from Fabian than I did from Kojo. Hi. You're a sweet boy. Yes, you are. You're a sweet boy. Yes. Yes. Oh, my. Mika. Mika, you just want everybody to play, don't you? Yes. Just tell them. She's full of spunk. Yes, you are, you little thing. You're a little tiny thing and you're just full of spunk. Yes. What? 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 Yes. Hello. Hello, Megan. Hello. 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 Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. They hop like little rabbits, don't they? Always cracks me up. Cotons are very entertaining. Aren't you? Say, we're so entertaining. Yes, we are. We're just very entertaining. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed, we are. Yeah. Megan back there playing with the elephant. What? 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 Moby, what? Okay. I think this is about all my back can handle. Ugh. So, there you have Ireland's totally adorable babies. 5 weeks old.